Pretty.
Mm-hmm. You ain't seen those smoke wings like that. That crispy. Listen to that. I got a hot 20-piece party wings that's about to go up in here. We're doing them real simple style. And what gave me this idea is because we went out with your auntie Carol.
Yeah.
So we were celebrating the birthday party. We had all kind of wings. We had the hot wings. We had the buffalo wings. We had the barbecue. We had the garlic parmesan. And then towards the end, I was full. But I saw when your auntie ordered them plain wings, everybody wanted the plain wings. And I was like, I didn't know they wanted the plain wings. Now I'm too full. I can't eat the plain wings. So today I'm making me some plain wings. And I tell you, these plain wings, they going to be next level. Because I did do them once before. And for some reason, I didn't record it. Cause I was just chilling that day. Sometimes, you don't feel like recording. You say, hey, I'm just barbecue. I'm just doing my thing, what I normally do anyway. So, but this time, I'm going to show the people how good those wings were. We ate those wings up so fast, we didn't even sit down at the table. I was like, man. All right, so let me finish getting these wings dried off, and we're going to go to season them up. I got 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt. I got 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper and 3 tablespoons of baking powder. It's going to make these wings crispy in the smoker. We're going to get it going. So first we got our avocado oil. About 2 tablespoons of that. Get that all incorporated right there. Let's get these seasonings in. Bam. That looks quite delicious. Just throw our baking powder in there. That's what's gonna help crisp it up. I don't think nobody's ever did this before inside the smoker. All right, see how that looking, y'all. Next step, we outside. Wings, oh wings. Where we got this baby at? 350 degrees is what we got this smoker up to. We about to get these wings crispy.
Oh, they good.
Mm-hmm.
They are gonna be.
Yes. I don't really share my wings.
I know you're a chicken man.
I think it's a 20 piece. There we go. We're gonna come flipping in about 30 minutes. Got a couple of pieces of oak. Just a slight flavor. It's gonna be good. Mm-hmm. That looks beautiful. You see I got the hot hands. Ooh, I do. Everybody, don't try this. You see me do it. Right. You gotta get your cooking hours in, and then you can do that.
Talk all this.
As they say, child.
Child. Child. Honey child. On this one.
Let me see. We're gonna go about 20 minutes. I think those will be ready. 1 hour, y'all. 1 hour.
Pretty.
Let's tempt these. Come on, stop moving around. Okay, 209, 217. These are definitely done. So I know y'all see that higher temperature. Believe me, it doesn't dry it out. It makes it super tender. Because these wings got a lot of fat and connective tissue in them. And breaks down and becomes super tender. 2 at the same time. What you think, baby? Yeah. You ain't seen those smoke wings like that. That crispy. Listen to that. Let's go eat. Getting ready for the thumbnail. So crispy. Ooh-wee. And y'all see this, we just did in a smoker. We ain't have to transfer it to no oil or nothing. Ooh-wee. Families, I got to be quick because it's looking too good.
Ooh, that crunch. Hey.
Woo. That simplicity. Look how it just come off the bone like that. And it's got a little smoke ring to it too. But hey, y'all see how it was done? You know how to make the wings crispy in the smoker now. The right way. All right. I'm going to catch y'all on the next one. Appreciate you coming out as always. We're going to be back with another one. Peace.